Hello everyone and welcome to a new Vespa GTS vlog. In today's vlog we'll talk about a small quality issue that I've just noticed. So please tell me in the comment section if I should be worried, okay? Look. Here I just saw a not so normal welding and some masking tape over there that was painted also in Arancio Impulsivo, but when we go on the other side, okay, on this side, look, the welding there looks normal, but I don't know what to say about this masking tape that looks like it was ripped apart by hand, and it was also painted in Arancio Impulsivo. Look, the welding here is normal, but let me show you again. On the other side, the welding doesn't look so okay, right? So, should I be worried? And should I go to the showroom or to the service and talk to them? Maybe I'll go to the showroom and see if other Vespas have the same problem, but please, if you also have a new GTS, check it behind the front wheel to see if you have the same problem. I bought this scooter with 900 kilometers on the odometer with no accident record, so I think it's something from the factory. Again, please tell me in the comment section what is your opinion. Many thanks again for watching my videos, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.